Asch experiment is one of psychology's oldest and most popular pieces of research. A volunteer is told that he's taking part in a visual perception test. What he doesn't know is that the other participants are actors, and he's the only person taking part in the real test, which is actually about group conformity.
The experiment you will be taking part in today involves the perception of line length. Your task will be simply to look at the line here on the left and indicate which of the 3 lines on the right is equal to it in length. So, for example,
the actors have been told to match the wrong lines. The volunteer will be monitored to see if he gives the correct answer or if he goes along with the opinion of the group and gives the wrong answer. In the first test, the correct answer is 2.
1. 1. 1.
2.
1. Once again, the correct answer is 2.
3. 3.
3.
3.
Yeah.
And to start off, we're just going to have you read some lines, so cover your right eye. And so, Haley, starting from 20, can you read that?
Okay. TEPOLFDZ.
Can you read 15?
LPCTZDBFEO.
Okay. Karthik?
Can't do that.
No, he can't?
I'm out of these.
Oh, no, you don't have to leave. Are you leaving?
How are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay, 20? Okay, TEP. And, oops. Okay, now I'm going to have you guys look at 6 cards. And on each card, over here on the left is the original line. And either A, B, or C is going to match that length. And I just want you to tell me which one matches the length for the original. Okay.
C.
C. C. C.
C.
Okay.
B.
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 D.
B.
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 C.
B.
C.
B.
C.
Okay, thank you. And that's it. So, and actually, Allie, we were doing a conformity experiment.
Yeah, but why did you say
Some of the wrong answers.
Were mine wrong?
Some of them, yeah.
Well, I just thought, like I said what I thought.
Yeah, okay.
And, I mean, they might have been right, but what I saw is what I said.
Okay. So, like, you didn't change your answer, like, based
Okay.
on anyone else's?
No. I
Okay.
mean, some of mine were the same because that's what I thought. Some of mine are different because that's what I thought, so I didn't change it.
Okay. Like, what did you feel like when people were saying the wrong line?
You mean what they're different from mine?
Yeah.
I felt like they were conforming, and I was kind of waiting for someone else to say what I said.
Really?
Yeah. But no one did, so that's okay.
Okay. And then, like, how do you feel about conformity in, like, Hudson High School? Or in
People definitely conform, like, to situations. I think people just need to be themselves and do what they think. But some people like to conform, so that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, thank you for taking very much.
C.
C.
C. Okay, nice job.
B. B.
B.
I would have to say C. I think. B. I thought it looked longer in the wall. B. B.
B.
B. B.
Yeah. Okay. So, how did you feel about like when they were saying the wrong lines?
Well, it was kind of obvious. I thought for like some that I switched, like I had two that I thought were different answers. So I don't know. I just kind of thought that they were blind a little bit. But I don't know. The other ones were a close call. So.
Okay. Did you like? Why did you switch if you thought it was like one of them?
Well, the ones that I like agreed with them on, I thought, I don't know, I just thought that they were pretty close. Okay, well they're all saying B, so maybe I guess it is B, but
Okay.
yeah.
And then how do you feel about like conformity in general? Like, I don't know. Do you think that?
At the school, do you think there's
Yeah.
too much?
I mean, I don't think it's at this school. I think it's in society and like in general. So it's
Yeah.
kind of like if you see someone else doing something, like it's just gonna rub off on you and kind of have a domino effect on society. So it's not like a school in general.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. C.
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 C. Yeah.
A.
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 C.
Alright.
Okay. A.
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 C. Okay.
Okay. So, how did you feel like when they were saying the wrong answers?
I felt that they were like, I don't want to be mean, but I thought they were like,
You can say it. It doesn't
I
matter.
thought they were stupid.
Okay. So, did you like
Sorry.
think that you were wrong ever? Like, did you think that you were like?
No.
Not? Okay. Like, what do you feel about conformity? Like, do you feel like you follow others, or that you follow?
I don't think I follow others. I just go what I think.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
B.
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 C.
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 A.
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 A. A.
A.
A.
C.
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 Okay. So, how did you feel about like when they were saying the wrong line?
I felt weird because like I knew that they were like I knew that it was definitely not the right one, and I could tell that it was like obviously not the right one.
Okay. Why did you change your answer one time?
Because I knew it was right, and I had a feeling that they were like lying.
Okay. So the first time, like when you said the wrong line, though.
I just kind of went with it.
Okay. But you still knew they were wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. And then.
C.
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 3.
3.
3.
3.
3.
3.
So how did you feel when everyone else was saying the wrong line?
I didn't know what to do, so I kind of just went with everyone else.
Okay. Like why did you change your answer like the second time?
Cause I don't know. I thought the other ones were wrong, so I just went with whatever.
Okay. How do you feel about conformity? Like, do you feel like you have your own ideas, or do you listen to others?
Sometimes I listen to others, sometimes I have my own ideas.
Okay.
It's good.
All right.
Okay, so our results today are similar to the Asch experiment. In our experiment, people conformed 35% of the time, and 65% of the time they didn't. In the Asch experiment, 32% of the time people conformed.
Okay. What we have here is a pie chart of the people who conformed at least once and are similar to the Asch experiment. We had 20% of the people who did not conform at all, at least once. And then we had 80% of the people, which is shown in the blue, who conformed at least once, compared to the 75% that conformed at least once in the Asch experiment and the 25% that didn't conform in the Asch experiment.